my name is Susan Goodman. I'm from Santa Fe, New Mexico. I'm a 70-year-old woman who was feeling that I looked about 20 years older than I needed to. I've been traveling in India for about 15 years and have had other medical situations that have been dealt with in a wonderful way here. I knew I couldn't afford to have this done in America and had no qualms about the medical care I would receive in India. The facility where I had this done was amazing. The staff was so warm and helpful and caring. I've just had a wonderful experience and felt that I certainly did not compromise my medical well-being by having this done in India. I've been through a lot of anxiety in the last few years and feel I've aged 20 years. I felt I looked 90 years old. I don't feel like that's who I am. I feel like a very active 70-year-old woman that doesn't need help getting on the method. And today, after 10 days or so from the surgery, I feel like my old self. I feel vibrant, got a zest for life, and can't wait to put my backpack on and take off. I've been traveling in India for about 15 years and I've had medical care here before. I'm from the US, Santa Fe, New Mexico. I could never afford to have this type of work done on my face in the United States and felt like it was important for my self-esteem at this point in life. Felt very good about using doctors in India. I feel are certainly as qualified as any doctors in the country. My decision to have this done in India is because I have had, my dentist is here, I've had other doctors here. I've been sick when I was here and was very thrilled with the help I've received from the medical community here. When I first met with Dr. Gupta, I explained that I did not want to look young. I want to look my age. I just want to look a good 70. I felt I was looking 90 years old, and it was very harmful to the way I felt about myself. He totally agreed with not wanting to zap all the wrinkles away, that I wanted to look natural. And the results have been amazing, amazing. I look the way I did 2 years ago, so maybe a little younger than my age. That's okay. I'm very, very happy with it.